Hello everyone, Russell Wright from ThemeZoom.com. I'm the co-inventor of the ThemeZoom vertical market online analysis application, which helps you rank for thousands of keywords using fewer inbound links than your competition using something called website silo architecture. It's an esoteric modeling of the web that allows you to optimize and make optimal use of inbound links based on keywords and theme structures. As far as I know, there's nothing online right now that does what our application does. The challenge has been for us that we haven't been able to make it available to the ordinary person on the street with an educational process that makes sense and that you can execute in just a few days or a few weeks. We have that now. We're building that application called Domain Web Studio. We use LSI, natural language processing, and all kinds of fancy technology that cost me a boatload of money to figure out how to use and build for the average user. Well, now I'm excited because we have it, and we're going to be making that available to everybody. So here's the screenshot. We've been squashing bugs last night. What you're going to have in Domain Web Studio when it becomes Network Empire, and we'll show you more of the grid structure and everything, how we're working, is this is what your silo structure is going to look like. You're going to have control over all this research. You're going to have keyword lists, so you can pop open, and we're going to actually be showing you live demonstrations of this shortly. Keyword list, click to see more keyword info, it expands, and will give you all of the stuff that's happening on the screen. You can sort any column, but just for the case of this 2-minute video, main thing is you're going to have things that indicate whether your keyword meets your requirements that you set. These red flags means that how to surf video and surfing video based on the parameters that we preset as we walk you through the quick startup step-by-step tutorial. The red flag means they don't meet your requirement or your budget requirements to be able to rank for those keywords and probably shouldn't be a major focus of your online campaign or your client's online campaign to begin with. The green flag means, yo, jump on it and start executing the step-by-step plan, which we are going to be making available to you in the syndicate area, which is the next tab over. All of this I'm going to show you a non-boring, non-static, non-boring live example once we're out of beta. As I said, we have been up creating and correcting the screenshot user interface, the dopamine matrix, if you will, of the user interface of all these so that it's understandable. It is a very challenging and wonderful task to take something as sophisticated as website silo architecture and keyword theme clustering and vertical online market analysis and blah, 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 all those really fancy, crazy words that just really mean, hey, at the end of the day, you can swallow your market whole by a systematic process of scraping the web, digging all those keywords up and putting them in a giant bucket, and then having the machine spit out the money, letting you know which of those words actually have money, and more, which of those words have dollar bills and hopefully $100 bills and $1,000 bills pinned to them, which keywords. And not only that, which ones have almost no competition in context to the larger frame, as well as which ones will be easier to rank for in groups using website silo architecture because you're going for the entire silo structure. That may sound hard, but guys, that's the only 3 things that really makes website silo architecture distinct from everything else. You don't need keyword research, you need theme cluster research, and I'll tell you what, we now have it pegged so that an ordinary person, even in a few weeks, can learn how to do stuff that we charge $20,000 or $30,000 for our company. Guys, jump on board. Look forward to seeing you on the inside. Get it while it's cheap and ugly at this point. Once it starts cleaning up, our price structure matrix will be regular industry prices. I can't wait to show you guys this. I'll see you on the inside.